Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So Xiaomi have released their millionth smartphone in the past year. The budget sort of range, the Redmi Note 11, launched in the UK on the 26th. I don't have the exact price yet, but I'm guessing it's going to be under £200. So yeah, I'm going to unbox this, do a few camera samples and see what it's all about. And here we are, the Redmi Note 11, available in Twilight Blue, Graphite Grey or Star Blue, powered by the Snapdragon 680. Let's see what we get in here. There she is, and in here, SIM tray ejector tool. Oh, you get a screen protector. Not seen that in a while in the phone. Manuals and a silicone see-through case. Okay. Standard, well, apart from the screen protector, normally they're pre-installed. Some people might like that, some people might not. I prefer them pre-installed because I'm rubbish at putting them on. Oh, this is a bit undone. Snapdragon 680, 90 Hz, AMOLED dot display, dual speakers, 33 Pro fast charging, sorry, 33 watt Pro fast charging, 5000 mAh battery, 50 megapixel AI quad camera. I don't know why I'm doing that. And let's open it up. So a nice budget friendly smartphone, which the Redmi devices are very much known for. Okay, so look at that. So we have a matte plastic back. Looks nice, neat and tidy. The camera housing there, which houses the 50 megapixel main sensor. We also have 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth sensor as well. So along the side we have a power button and a volume rocker. It looks like the fingerprint sensor is integrated into the power button, which I do love. I really like that. 3.5mm head socket, which is great, an IR blaster, speaker grill there at the top, and on this side we have a SIM tray. You can house 2 nano SIMs and a micro SD card, which is great for storage expansion. USB Type-C, another speaker there at the bottom, microphone cutout there as well. Nice, let's turn it on. So we have MIUI 13. MIUI is obviously the latest software, but it is still only on Android 11, the underlying software. Feels nice and light. Yeah, a bit plasticky, but like I said, this is the budget range, the Redmi Note 11. So you're not going to be paying top dollar for this. MIUI 13. English United Kingdom, yeah. I'm going to go ahead and set this up and show you the software, camera and other little bits. Okay guys, so I'm back, and first thing I really like about the phone is obviously the AMOLED display, and I've set that to 90 Hz as well in the settings. In terms of brightness, it is on automatic, but we can go right up to the top there. That is max brightness as well. And if we turn automatic on, it's going to pop down a bit. There we go. Which is probably about right, really. So yeah, the display, AMOLED, 90 Hz. It is a gorgeous display, great viewing angles. You're not going to have any issues, I don't think, with viewing this, even in sort of bright conditions as well. Side-loaded fingerprint sensor, the best placement for any fingerprint sensor in my opinion, and it works. Fairly rapid as well, so that is all good as well. Now here's a quick look at the camera, the pictures and videos which I took in the last 10 or 15 minutes or so. Overall decent quality, I'd say, for a smartphone of this price. Ultra wide pictures, you can see a little bit of noise in the corner, a little bit more than I probably like, but have a look at these. On the front camera on the Redmi Note 11, you can shoot up to 1080p 30, which we're shooting in at the moment, and you can go down to 720p as well if you'd want to. I can't see that you'd really want to, but yeah, this is me standing straight in front of a window, and then this is me coming a little bit sort of darker area. Okay, a little bit of graininess setting in there, but you know, a budget phone. The Redmi Note 11. See if we can get a bit darker in the corner here. Yeah. That's the quality of the Redmi Note 11 front video. Okay guys, and on the rear, again you can shoot 1080p 30 on the Redmi Note 11. This is what it's going to look like. There's no stabilization in here. Really, it doesn't really feel that way anyway. But it is a budget phone. If you want that a bit more better quality and more sort of features, then you're going to have to pay more dollar, like top dollar. Can we zoom out ultra wide? No, we can't. Can we zoom in? Yeah, we can zoom in. 6 times. 6 times zoom. And we can come out. So there is ultra wide video available, but you have to stop and then restart it again. So this is ultra wide on the Redmi Note 11. Again, no stabilization. There we go. And to make use of the main 50 megapixel sensor, you do have to go into the camera, click more and select 50 megapixel there to make use of that. Okay, so we have a look at the speakers then. So one firing at the bottom and one at the top. Let's play a little bit of audio. So I'll definitely tell you what, I've definitely heard worse loudspeakers on phones around this sort of price point. Really loud, the volume, and both equally shooting out the top and the bottom of the speakers. And I have to say overall sound quality is pretty good. So yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Okay, so just a video test now on the Redmi Note 11. This is playing back at 1080p 60, they're the options we have on there. So 1080p 60 is the highest available option. And if we pinch zoom, we have the full screen experience. The AMOLED display, just make out the camera cut out there on the left. But that is looking nice. I mean, considering the price you're going to be paying for this smartphone, I'm guessing under £200 for, depending on what model you get in terms of RAM and storage size. This is a nice display. But just to show you a few things through the menu, so we do have 90 Hz. You do have to set this yourself because as standard it comes to 60 Hz. So if you want to make use of that, 90 Hz. And obviously if you want to make use or better experience of the nice rich dark black colours you do get with AMOLED, then obviously you do have the option for dark mode as well. Now in terms of software, like I said, MIUI 13.0.3 is what you actually get with the device. I have the 64 gig storage version, and 4 gigabytes of RAM as well. You can check on Xiaomi's website, well, the UK version anyway. You do get different variations, so 6 gig RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage. But then obviously the price is going to increase there as well. UFS 2.2 storage as well. Okay, and all the usual stuff really. Always on display settings, password, security, battery. We go into there, so you can have face unlock as well if you want to turn that on. Make your lips visible. Okay. But anyway, yes, so obviously there's Face ID and you have the fingerprint sensor. I prefer fingerprint all day long. So that is a quick overview on the Redmi Note 11, a pure budget range smartphone. If you are in the market for a budget phone, I mean, I challenge anyone to sort of find anything better or sort of maybe even equal to this, the Redmi Note 11. Xiaomi do amazing budget smartphones. This is the budget range, AMOLED, 90 Hz, 33 watt Pro fast charging as well. Yeah, so this I think is going to be a very popular device, especially for people who are on that sort of budget range and budget market sort of area. It's a nice handset, does the job. Thank you very much for watching. Any questions then please pop them down below. I'll answer them as best as I can. If you do enjoy this content, hit subscribe, smash the like button, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.